Hi there! Today we are going to learn how to enrobe a cake with La Patissiere icing and how to drizzle a cake.
Using a spatula and your gloved hand, transfer the base-sized cakes to an 8-inch board. After chilling for 15 minutes in the freezer, place your cakes onto a glazing screen. Carefully heat the La Patissiere icing to 105 to 120 degrees. Excessive stirring will cause air bubbles in the icing. Once the La Patissiere icing is heated to the correct temperature, pour the icing onto the center of the cake. With a spatula, quickly spread the icing across the top of the cake before it begins to set up. Do not overwork the icing. Let the cake sit on the screen to allow the excess icing to drip onto the pan. Before the icing completely sets, remove the cake and place onto a 9-inch gold board. Using a bowl scraper, scrape the icing from the pan and place into the pail. Now your cakes are ready to decorate. Let's move on to drizzling a cake. Fill a small pastry bag with Brill truffle icing and cut a small hole at the tip. Pipe a ring of icing approximately ½ an inch from the edge of the cake. Squeeze the melted icing along the edge of the cake to create traveling M's. Make sure to hesitate at the foot of the M. Now this cake is ready to decorate. Let's review. It's important to remember to only use La Patissiere icing for enrobing. Remember to chill your cakes prior to enrobing. When heating truffle, be careful to not overheat the icing because it will be grainy, dull, and it will not set firmly.